I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the QuickTake video feature on your iPhone. So first, we're going to open up your camera app. Now, as you can see, we're in the photo mode rather than the video mode, which you can change these modes by swiping your finger from the left to the right where those particular words are. You do not need to switch over to the video mode to take a quick video. Instead of swiping over to the video tab, what you'll do is you'll tap and hold on the shutter button, and it will automatically go into video mode. As you can see here, you can let go and it will end the video and it will save it to your camera roll. If you would like to let go of your finger but keep the video recording, you will tap and hold, and then you will slowly swipe your finger over to the right and put that little dot in the lock icon, and then now you will be recording without being, basically while being hands-free on the screen at least. And now you know how to use quick video mode. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.